discovery lessons in August. At Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool, the baby shark tanks of Dolphin Class participate in exciting science experiments that help children develop observation skills, curiosity, questioning abilities, and explore the world around them through hands-on experiences. This August, Dolphin Class will discover 7 fascinating science lessons with their teachers. 1. Volcano Eruption Experiment. Children observe bubbling reactions, learn about changes in different substances, and feel excited as their colorful mini volcano erupts. 2. Rainbow Color Experiment. Children explore color mixing, practice observation skills, and create beautiful effects from familiar materials. 3. Giant Bubble Experiment. Children learn about air and movement while creating huge, fun bubbles together. 4. Magical Color-Changing Water Experiment. Little dolphin scientists discover color transformation and learn to predict results before conducting the experiment.
Let me take you by the waistline, girl, you look so good. I'm just hoping that it tastes fine. Come on over here, let me work it out now. Come on over here, let me show you what I'm about. Come on over here, let me show you how I do. Girl, I was lying when I said I see this through.
Children test different materials, discover why boats can float on water, and create their own little boats. 7. Seed Germination Experiment. Children learn how to care for plants, observe the growth of young sprouts, and discover more about the natural world. Through each science lesson, Dolphin Class not only has fun but also develops problem-solving skills, teamwork, patience, and a love for exploration. Every school day at Kingdom Baby Shark Preschool is a new journey of discovery where baby shark tanks learn through their hands, eyes, and curious hearts. Parents, let's look forward to the adorable science discovery moments of Dolphin Class this August.